going to show you how to use some of the titles and filters, in particular spring ones, to make your video a little bit more exciting and vibrant. I'm just going to add these videos. So there's one video and also a photo here. So if you go to titles, so for some of you in the northern hemisphere, you've got spring coming up. So anyway, if you want to add some sort of spring titles, you can use, for example, this one here. This one here looks pretty nice. Just let it download. Okay, so it's finished downloading. Spring, Sydney, Australia. Just going to try to make that a bit more readable. So you can just move it around. There we go. Let's just play this. Okay, so it looks like I did a spelling mistake. Just easily fix this. So this is one of the Harbour Bridge and also Opera House here. You see the Harbour Bridge and the Opera House. So that's the title. Then you can also add, for example, filters. So I'm just going to add here one of these filters. Let's try this one here. Okay, this looks nice. Just going to drag it here. Now if you see the diamond, it means it's a premium one. You've got to have a paid subscription for that. You can go here and over here and search for ones that are free. Oh, it looks like there's no. You used to have that option. Okay, wonder where that went. Anyway, let's see how this looks. Okay, as you can see, it's got the filter. Okay, that looks nice, although you can see here it looks a bit too prominent. You can just change so that it's not as visible. So let's try that. Oh yeah, it looks a lot better. You do have these other effects as well. Let's see how this one looks like. Okay, let's see how that looks like. So that's combining both. Now if you want to hide one of them and you just want to test one to see how it looks, just hide the other one. Yeah, I actually prefer this one here. So I'm just going to use that. Oh, yeah, it looks a lot nicer. It gives it that nice spring effect. Then you just add some audio. I'm going to get AI to generate the audio. So here you can describe what you want. Spring theme. Let's have a look. Just want, let's see, some ambient. The mood. Just gonna go with peaceful. And you have the option here to try one free. And then it's gonna start generating it. Just let it run. So I haven't seen this one before. It's ElevenLabs. What does this do? Standard, supports custom background music generation. Okay, it's got these different modes. Haven't seen that before. Looks like ElevenLabs is the default one. So we've got here the audio. just download that. Okay, so let me cut this. Looks like the front here, it's not really playing as much. Let's delete that, and then just delete this, and then just make sure it reaches the end. Okay, there we go. Let's play this. Okay, yeah, the music doesn't sound too bad. And there you go. A video with the spring themes. Okay, if this video helped in any way, please give a like and subscribe to the channel.